Let's make a sword. Hold Shift and press A to open the Add menu. Hover over Mesh, then select Circle. Switch to Edit mode, select the entire circle and press F to create a face. Then extrude that face by pressing E. Now we'll move into object mode to continue building the next pieces. Now we're going to add another circle, but this time we'll rotate it so it points away from the first circle we created. Switch to edit mode, create a face, then extrude it to form a small cylinder. Select the end face, scale it down to create a cone-like shape. Extrude that face once more. This piece is now complete. The handle is very simple. You could add a cylinder and size it down, or again create a circle and extrude it outwards. The guard is going to be made out of a cube. So after we add it into our scene, let's go into edit mode and size it out horizontally slightly. Holding Ctrl and pressing R gives us the ability to create a loop cut. And if we left click to confirm the cut, then immediately right click, it centers our loop cut. Now we can size the edges slightly to give us the guard we saw in the thumbnail of the video. Lastly, the blade will be made out of a square, and we're going to place it at our guard, then size it slightly. And then extrude it outwards. We're going to select the face at the top and press Ctrl and I to invert our selection to all other faces. Then we're going to hide them all with H. We're going to split this face in two by holding Ctrl and pressing R to make a loop cut. Unhide the rest of the faces with Alt and H. Then we can make the point of our blade by grabbing the vertices or the edge at the top of the square and moving them. Now that all the individual pieces have been made, you can join everything by shift selecting multiple pieces and then pressing Ctrl and J. If you plan to use this as an asset in a game or to export it, I'd recommend shading it in the last engine. But if you intend to use it in Blender, you can apply everything from now.